Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very well-defined area has now been put into play here, and that's from this area of support. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust this area of support down to $24.60, which basically to the exact penny is where the price bounced off of from last week, and then you fast forward to today, and right where the price bounced off of at that point. So more of the story, that is going to be a very, very watched level and a very, very important level. And important for the simple reason of, well, if the price were to come down there and actually break down through it, that would be putting the price down at lows that have not, that this chart has not seen for quite literally several months. So from, like I said, that angle alone, very, very important level. But from a trading perspective, also a very interesting level because this was now the second time that area produced a nice little bounce from there. So while that doesn't mean that it's guaranteed to produce more bounces, it's at least it's at least a rational thought to be thinking, okay, you know what, maybe that level could produce some sort of bounce. So we'll want to keep a close eye on that. And then as far as areas of resistance, I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of that line for now because from the overarching standpoint, it's still all about that purple line. And that's why that even with the bounce today, you still got to call the overall chart bearish because the price, is still hanging down below that purple line. But if the price can actually break above that purple line, start to stay up above it, I mean, there's still a lot more work that would need to be done. But at that point, it's at least a valid and rational thought to be saying, okay, maybe the bears are starting to lose their grip on things. But as of now, like I said, because the price is still down below that purple line, in my opinion, at least, you still got to say that the bears are in full control. But overall, good to see that the price bounced off that area of support. And not just a question of can the price ultimately start to get some closes up above that purple line. Let's see how the next couple of days play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.